Good evening, dear viewers. Welcome to Crypto TV. I am Gunjan Handa and let's take a look at today's headlines. Cryptocurrencies edge higher on value buying, Bitcoin above $30,000. Goldman Sachs says crypto poses no major risk to US economy. Vitalik Buterin confirms Ethereum's merge could happen in August. Moody's warns on risks from cryptocurrencies. Terra involves community feedback in latest recovery plan. Singapore court halts sale of Bored Ape NFT amid dispute. Coinbase officially announces partnership with Women's National Basketball Association. Let's take a look at the stories in detail. Cryptocurrencies edged higher Friday as investors allocated a part of their portfolio to digital assets on higher risk appetite after China cut its lending rate. Bitcoin hovered around $30,300. US stocks opened higher, recovering some ground after the S&P 500 came close to falling into a bear market. The S&P 500 rebounded Friday to trade higher by 0.9%, while tech-heavy Nasdaq gained over 1% and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.6% shortly after the opening bell. Within cryptocurrencies, investors were likely shifting funds to coins with strong track record and underlying sentiment remained bearish. Data showed that exchanges liquidated nearly $500 million worth of future positions in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin was recently trading at around $30,200, up over 2% in past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was around $2,000, up nearly 3% in a similar time period. Other major altcoins too traded higher. The US banking giant Goldman Sachs provided some interesting facts to demonstrate that the crypto market's decline will have no significant influence on the US economy. Goldman Sachs analysts said that the entire net worth of US households reached $150 trillion by the end of 2021. Despite the fact that the crypto market has lost $1 trillion in the last year, it is extremely little in comparison to the US household net worth. In a note to investors on Thursday, May 19, Goldman Sachs economists led by Jan Hatzius wrote, "We therefore expect any drag on aggregate spending from the recent declines in cryptocurrency prices to be very small as well." Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, along with a few core Ethereum developers, claimed that the merge will be completed in August this year. Arguably, the most anticipated event in Ethereum's 7-year-old history would come in the next few months, asserted the project's co-founder as well as a couple of core Ethereum developers. This should happen before the difficulty bomb slows down the network. The difficulty bomb is an intentional process embedded into Ethereum's code that will eventually slow down the network. The developing team incorporated it for two main reasons: to encourage developers to push the proof of stake transition and make it harder for miners to remain on the proof of work chain following the event. Although the difficulty bomb has been postponed several times in the past to make sure the network continues to function correctly, the team wants to avoid another delay this time and complete the merge before blockchain slows down. Vitalik Buterin also reiterated that stance during the Ethereum Shanghai Summit, but also gave more room for potential hiccups, saying the merge could be in September or October. Global rating agency Moody's has warned the adoption of cryptocurrencies is fraught with risks, including fragmentation of payment system and financial instability. Referring to El Salvador's move to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, the company has stated that the country's Bitcoin trades have raised its risk profile in the past. Highlighting the various risks associated with the cryptocurrency adoption, Moody's said that these risks include operational hazards such as cyber and fraud, reduced government control over monitoring the financial system, reduced central bank control over the money supply, and ability to implement counter-cyclical monetary policy during economic crisis, and increased ability to circumvent capital controls. The Terra team is back with another recovery plan to save its ecosystem after the Luna crash. According to DogeCoin, CEO of Terraform Labs, the revival plan includes launching a new network to satisfy the current network's community of investors, developers, and builders. Terra announced on Twitter a change to the initial idea named Proposal 1623, where Luna was to be forked to create a new Luna coin in a new chain. The fresh amendments to the initial terms now include increasing the community pool share from 10% to 30%. A percentage of these tokens will be committed for governance and roughly 10% will be given to developers in exchange for their work. Those who owned Luna prior to the crash will have different liquidity profiles. Those who have fewer than 10,000 Luna will receive 30% initial liquidity along with access to the remaining 70% over the course of 2 years. Those that purchased UST after the crash will receive a lower token allotment, which will be cut from 20% to 15%. Terra stated that the community will be given 5 days to evaluate and vote on the modification. A court in Singapore ordered a freeze on sale of Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT amid dispute. Following the court order, the rare NFT BAYC number 2162 has now been marked with a reported for suspicious activity tag on OpenSea, the world's largest NFT marketplace. The BAYC NFT was used as collateral for a loan with a refinancing option at an appointed date. However, the borrower defaulted on the loan, and though the agreement had a provision of extending the loan period, the lender foreclosed the loan, leading to dispute. The suspicious activity tag prevents the current owner from being able to list the NFT for sale, and no offers for buying can be placed. Coinbase, the largest US crypto exchange, became an official crypto partner of the Women's National Basketball Association. Coinbase expanded investment within the WNBA. The US crypto exchange giant announced a partnership with the New York Liberty and Seattle Storm. According to the announcement, the fans of both the teams will get chances to earn crypto through giveaway and experience Web3. The collaboration is simply so extensive because it is believed that women continue to play a huge role in forging the future of blockchain tech industry. For Coinbase, the WNBA brings with it a throng of women fans that are crypto curious and open to getting more involved in the Web3 world. That's all for today. I am Gunjan Handa signing off. Keep watching Crypto TV, world's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel.